Once upon a time, in a distant and mysterious dark age, there existed a world. It was a realm enveloped in perpetual twilight, where high castles nestled amidst the dense canopy of towering trees, their branches reaching for the heavens. But these were no ordinary trees. They were adorned with peculiar and exotic plants that possessed an uncanny power over the people. Meanwhile, Captain and his crew, caught in the maelstrom of the storm, battled ferocious winds and towering waves. Their ship was at the mercy of the elements, and they struggled to navigate through the chaos. A renowned writer with a penchant for the mysterious and macabre found himself drawn to the enigmatic spirit. Aboard this mighty ship, he and his loyal crew weathered storms and explored uncharted waters in search of unclaimed territories. As fate would have it, the storm coincided with investigation into the secrets of the plant tree. In his exploration, our hero stumbled upon ancient manuscripts that detailed the origins and powers of the tree.
Even to those who have not seen The Messenger, it will be unnecessary to point out